Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for detailed reviews on top-rated products. In today's video, we're showcasing the best 5-piece rattan with cushions patio set currently available on the market. The Jamfly 5-piece outdoor patio furniture set in Aegean blue. If you're looking to upgrade your outdoor space with style, comfort, and flexibility, you're going to want to stick around for the next 5 minutes. Let's dive into what makes this set the ultimate game changer for patios, porches, gardens, or even balconies. At first glance, this set instantly stands out with its vibrant Aegean blue cushions and modern rattan design. But this isn't just about looks. Jamfly has crafted a product that's equal parts elegant and enduring. The entire structure is made with weather-resistant PE rattan, ensuring that it stands strong through sun, rain, and everyday use. Whether you're dealing with scorching summer days or a sudden downpour, this furniture is built to stay stylish and sturdy all year round. The underlying construction adds to the durability. It's built to last, and that gives you peace of mind. Comfort, however, is where this set truly shines. Each seat is topped with thickened cushions that are plush enough to turn any casual sit-down into a full-on lounging experience. You also get supportive backrests that elevate the comfort level, making this an ideal setup for weekend relaxation, hosting friends, or enjoying your morning coffee outdoors. One of the best aspects of the Jamfly patio set is its modular flexibility. The 5 pieces can be arranged in multiple configurations depending on your space or occasion. At the center of the set is a glass-top coffee table that balances the earthy textures of the rattan with a smooth, elegant surface for drinks, snacks, or decor. It ties the set together both functionally and aesthetically. Size-wise, the entire set comes in at around 84.6 inches in length and 55.1 inches in width, with a height of 24.8 inches. This makes it spacious enough for multiple guests without overwhelming smaller outdoor spaces. And for those wondering about upkeep, it's incredibly low maintenance. All you need is a dry cloth for regular cleaning, and the cushion covers are removable for easy washing. Assembling the Jamfly set does require a bit of time, but everything you need is included in the box. Once assembled, it immediately transforms your outdoor area into a cozy and classy retreat. To wrap things up, the Jamfly 5-piece patio furniture set delivers an unbeatable blend of style, resilience, comfort, and versatility. Whether you're creating an outdoor lounge space for entertaining or a private escape for relaxing, this is a set that punches above its weight in both looks and functionality. That's it for today's video on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth product breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.